Welcome to all of you in our channel PSIM. Today's topic is very interesting. So someone asked you that what is installed power capacity of India? What is installed power capacity of Karnataka, Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, or say particular state or union territory? Someone asked you that what is wind power capacity of Gujarat? What is solar power capacity of Delhi? What is hydro power capacity of Karnataka? What is nuclear power capacity of Chandigarh? So today I tell you that how to know this power capacity of all over India as well as state wise. So all information is given in the website, that is www.cea.nic.in. So this is Central Electricity Authority website. Now in home page, go to install capacity, and here install capacity is given in the month wise: August, September, October. Download it. So this is install capacity. First one is region wise. So this is total power capacity. So this one is thermal, second one is nuclear, third one is hydro, and fourth one is RES, means remaining, that include wind, solar, bio, or waste to energy. So second page is given state wise. So Delhi, Haryana, this is state, second is private, third one is central, and total, that is subtotal. This is statewide. Andhra Pradesh. Total installed capacity in Iceland, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, and this one is total. So this website gives you lot of information about installed power capacity of India. Now another topic is that what is daily renewable generation of India? What is daily renewable generation of India? On report, click daily report. So this one is date wise given. So click on 11. So this is daily renewable power generation of particular state or union territory, or say Iceland. So in the case of Delhi, on 11 generator, so 00 wind energy, 0.11 solar energy, this is bio and small hydro, 0.67, total 0.78, that is all the energy is given in megawatt. So this one is daily renewable energy generation of any state. So here report is given. So how to know? First one is go to home, then install capacity. Then second one is report in daily report, download daily renewable generation, and go on or click on date wise. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like our video, then subscribe it. Thank you.